Mr. Geenberg don't, Mr. Geenberg don't, Mr. Geenberg don't want none unless you got physics, hun.
Boy toy named Sean got some physics going on. Told me sum up the forces, start with x and y. Make it equal m times a, then you solve the equation. Define your mass or your forces such as friction or tension. That force down, down, down is equal to your mass times gravity. Who wanna go first? I will push you down the hills. That is an incline, so we'll use sine and cosine. We done the problem. By the way, what do you say? Protestant's laws yesterday, an object at rest will stay at rest unless acted on by some forces. Force equals mass times acceleration. For every action there is an opposite reaction. So I pulled up to the test and returned my homework like dun 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 dun.
Mr. Geenberg don't, Mr. Geenberg don't, Mr. Geenberg don't want none unless you got physics, hun. Oh my gosh, look at that force. Oh my gosh, look at that force. Oh my gosh, look at that force. Look at that force. Look at that force.
This dude named Newton, he created 3 laws. They are all about forces which cause a change in motion. Without these 3 laws, we would have no equation, and physics C would be hard to get an A in. Now that friction stops us from moving in a forward direction. It keeps your car from hitting a big tree. It is a coefficient times the normal force. It could be static. By the way, what do you say? Fell asleep in class yesterday? Not static, then kinetic. Choose your point of view. Should that be positive or negative? Because it's all subjective. Now you know all there is to know about them forces. You ACAP, so we are almost done.
Mr. Geenberg don't, Mr. Geenberg don't, Mr. Geenberg don't want none unless you got physics, hun. Oh my gosh, look at that force. Oh my gosh, look at that force. Oh my gosh, look at that force. Look at that force. Look at that force. Friction is the force that opposes motion. Friction is the force that opposes motion. Friction is the force that opposes motion. Oh my god, look at that force. Mr. Geenberg don't, Mr. Geenberg don't, Mr. Geenberg don't want none unless you got physics, hun. Mr. Geenberg don't, Mr. Geenberg don't, Mr. Geenberg don't want none unless you got physics, hun. Mr. Geenberg don't, Mr. Geenberg don't want none unless you got physics, hun. Mr. Geenberg don't, Mr. Geenberg don't, Mr. Geenberg don't want none unless you got physics. Mr. Geenberg don't, Mr. Geenberg don't want none unless you got physics, hun. Mr. Geenberg don't, Mr. Geenberg